Hi everyone, my name is Sydney Butler and I'm an attorney for the Eviction Right to Counsel program at the Legal Aid Society. With the recent winter storm in Nashville, you may have some questions about your rights as a tenant. I'm going to be answering some common questions that we've received about tenant rights. If you have any additional questions or you want to know how these answers apply to your specific situation, feel free to reach out to our team to know more. Thank you. There's a lot of damage around my home because of the winter storm, like fallen trees and broken fences. Who has to fix those, me or my landlord? Most likely your landlord, but it really depends on what your lease says. If you live in a large complex, the landlord is responsible for all common areas, which will normally include the outdoor areas. If you live in a standalone home or duplex, it could be different. Read your lease thoroughly to see who must make repairs when damage occurs due to weather or acts of God. Also, check for sections about yard maintenance. If you are experiencing any damage from the storm, notify your landlord in writing as soon as possible. Your landlord should fix problems within a reasonable amount of time. Remember, some repairs may take longer right now while crews are still stretched thin, so help your landlord prioritize. Explain what is urgent and what can wait. No matter what, stay in contact with your landlord about the issues. Keep a good record of reporting the issues in writing and any money that you had to spend because of it. I was supposed to have court for an eviction on January 26th, 27th, or 28th, but court was closed for the storm. What should I do? You probably will get a new court date. A notice of the new date should get mailed to you, but because of the storm, you might not get the mailing in time. You should call the clerk's office at 615-862-5195. Give them your name and case number if you know it, and ask if you have a new court date.
Hi, my name is Malik Toledo, and I'm an attorney with the Eviction Right to Counsel program at the Legal Aid Society of Middle Tennessee and the Cumberlands. And today I'll be answering a few questions about tenant rights in relation to the recent winter storm that happened here in Nashville, Tennessee.
There's no electricity at my house. Do I still need to pay rent? In general, yes. You might be excused from paying rent if it's your landlord's fault that you don't have electricity, not any yeses, and you've notified the landlord in writing, and you're not staying in the home. For example, you're in a hotel or staying with a friend. The exception is specific and detailed, so always talk to a lawyer before withholding rent. Report the issues to your landlord in writing and keep your landlord updated. If you are going to be late because of something related to the weather, like not being able to work, let your landlord know and try to work out an agreement in writing. I wasn't able to go to court for my eviction case because of the snowstorm, and my landlord got an eviction judgment against me. What should I do? Eviction judgments are final after 10 days. Before the 10 days are up, you can file a motion to set aside, which is asking the same court to reconsider its decision, or an appeal, which is asking a higher court to hear the case. But be careful. Appeals are very expensive. Contact legal aid as soon as possible for more information about how these work. If you don't file anything after 10 days are up, your landlord can ask the sheriff to put you out.